Chellbee. Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time, this is my first time. If this is your first time here, welcome. I hope you like what you see, and I hope you subscribe for this journey. But anyways, today I'm continuing the series Morning Coffee with Chellbee. So I hope you guys have grabbed your coffee. I keep forgetting to show my little J. I hope you grab your coffee and you join me, and let's just fellowship together. All right, so today I'm going to be sharing an affirmation. I know for me personally, I really struggled and still do struggle just to, really trust God and His plan, and, just to give things over to Him, especially like, burdens or just things that I'm worried about. So I wanted to share an affirmation that I am, reading, and I thought we could read together. So let's just jump right into it. I will trust you, Lord. I will surrender my burdens to you. I will believe that your will be done. I will pray you grant me peace I will pray that you grant me peace and discernment to accept the things that are out of my control. I have faith that no matter who comes against me, you will turn it around for my good. I trust the plan you have over my life, and I know it is better than my own. I pray that you continue to be with me and guide me as I move through this beautiful world that you created. I hope that you guys enjoyed today's affirmation. I know that it was probably a long one. Definitely not going to be able to recite that word for word after hearing me. So I did go ahead and link below in the description box a comment to the blog post where you can get the full affirmation, so you can have it for yourself and read it, when you need it, because I don't know about you, but sometimes I need it quite often. But anywho, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you're enjoying this series. I hope it uplifts you and encourages you. And let's just continue the conversation in the comments below. In the meantime, in between time, you guys stay blessed and be safe. And I will talk to you guys soon. Bye.